The TextBlaze Assistant helps you quickly find and insert snippets anywhere you work. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Assistant for TextBlaze's Chrome extension, Mac app, and Windows app. Let's dive in. The TextBlaze Assistant helps you quickly find and use snippets from any site or app. You can click the TextBlaze icon in Chrome or use a keyboard shortcut to activate the Assistant, and from there you can click to insert any of your snippets. You can scroll through your most used snippets or even search for specific ones to access them in seconds and insert them with just one click. The Assistant can also be activated and used completely with your keyboard. For example, here you can see me inserting snippets by using the arrow keys to go to the one that I want, and then pressing enter to insert it. Check the description to see what the default shortcuts are to activate the Assistant. The Assistant also lets you find a snippet and click the edit button, which quickly takes you to the snippet in the dashboard so you can make changes if needed. By default, Chrome hides extensions behind the extensions icon. You can pin TextBlaze to your toolbar for quick access to the Assistant menu. You can also use the Assistant outside of Chrome with TextBlaze's desktop apps. You can change the shortcut for the Assistant in Chrome by clicking the shortcut at the bottom of the Assistant page, clicking the pencil, then setting it to your desired shortcut. To change it in the Mac or Windows desktop app, you can open the app and then go to Options and change the shortcut from there. Give it a try, save time with TextBlaze, and as always, feel free to post in our community for help.